Ashbury neighborhood and have some breakfast at this little cafe that I found that looks cute. And then after that, I think we should go to the like park area and then go shopping at Haight Ashbury for a couple hours and then come back to the hotel to like get our bags and stuff. Then we'll have to go home.
All right, let's go do it.
Yes. No camping. There's a merry-go-round here. Hang on, how did you get in there? You can actually go on. It's open. For this awesome ostrich. Ooh, I think I want this one. This blue one? A toad!
Instead of the Pier 39, you can go on this Ferris wheel for $2.
We're walking through the park and we're gonna go to the Flower Conservatory. Go see some pretty flowers. I think it's this way. For sure. I'm at Hogwarts.
Alright, so if you're going to come to Golden Gate Park, let yourself some time to come here, because it's a big, huge park. We had a tour guide said that the park is the size of Central Park in New York, but we are out of time here, so we are going to head back to Haight Ashbury, because there's some cool stores we wanted to go to that were closed at the time. All we got to see is this, but that's fine, we'll save some for next time. back to the airport, but first we need to make another stop at a cable car because we last time we went on it, we were only on it for a minute.
Yeah, and we went the wrong direction completely.
Yeah.
But that's okay, we're gonna try again.
Yep. We were way down there. Now we're up here.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
Bye, San Francisco.
Back home. So if you are traveling and you haven't done TSA pre-check yet, you need to do it. It's
so nice.
It's so nice. We got
like a half-hour long line right there.
Yeah, there was at least a half-hour to hour long line in the security there, and we literally walked right in, put bag right through, got right in.
I'm the only one that ever actually applied for it, but when we bought the tickets together and we put my reservation or my known traveler number on, we both get pre-check. So, tip, just have one of you get pre-check and you might get it for both.
Especially in massively busy airports like LAX or San Francisco or Chicago. So, do it.
Just met the other night, but I
Please keep moving. Do not stop.
Do not stop.
I really want to stop.
Please keep moving. Do not stop.
We're home. Back in the old
Where does that go? Yeah. We will catch you on the next one.
yeah.